demands, high expectations, and pressure faced by today's snow and ice contractors is at an all-time high. On-the-job efficiency, speed, and productivity are a must, which is why at Boss, we never stop pushing the edge of innovation, design, and engineering to offer snow and ice contractors the products, services, and solutions they need to get jobs done and keep their accounts open for business. Introducing the latest addition to the rear-mounted Boss Drag Pro lineup, the Drag Pro 180Z. The Boss Drag Pro 180Z is the most versatile rear-mounted snowplow available. Combining a Drag Pro 180Z with a front-mounted snowplow allows contractors to double down on parking lots, driveways, commercial properties, and any job where added plowing performance and versatility is needed. In fact, using a front and rear-mounted system can reduce time on the job by 50%. The Boss Drag Pro 180Z quickly and easily mounts on the back of 3/4 and 1-ton trucks using a patented 2-point quick attachment system. The 180Z system uses universal fifth wheel rails and a truck hitch to provide greater weight distribution, added strength and stability, allowing the operator to confidently plow in any direction, forward and reverse. When put into action, the Drag Pro 180Z can quickly extend from 8 to 16 feet, thanks to its hydraulic operating wings that rotate a full 180 degrees. This gives the operator the ability to push and pull a large amount of snow. An independent wing control allows the operator to position wings in multiple configurations at the touch of a button, making the 180Z a versatile tool for any contractor. But it doesn't stop there. The 180Z is built to perform reliably in even the toughest conditions. It features hydraulic pressure wing relief to maintain performance and protect the plow when operating in both forward and reverse, which means there's never a shear pin to replace with a 180Z. And when it comes to features, the 180Z was designed with the contractor in mind. The Drag Pro 180Z is engineered with a float feature to allow the operator to keep the cutting edge contoured to the plowing surface. And standard Boss D-Force delivers consistent hydraulic downforce when and where it's needed for a cleaner scrape on every pass. Strategically placed inside-mounted blade cylinders allow for a closer approach to garage doors and other obstacles. And UHMW cutting edges resist wear, provide optimal scraping performance, and protect against impacts with curbs and other on-the-job obstacles. The hinged hydraulic covers with their flexible draw latch make it quick and easy to access hydraulics without the need for tools. And the standard fully integrated work lights increase operator visibility. A dynamic controller allows the operator to easily switch between the 180Z and standard new Boss Drag Pro systems, bringing added flexibility to your fleet. At Boss, we understand what snow and ice professionals like you go through to get the job done right. That's why we're always working to bring you the solutions and tools to help you do what you do, making your jobs more efficient and productive through superior plowing and versatility. The Boss Drag Pro 180Z, just another top-of-the-line innovation to keep them open from Boss, built to back you up.